I'm not sure if he's in 10 or Georgia, but he's making noise too. Take care, big brother. Catch you later. Nitro reading this mail. Hello, Louis Armstrong. Man, you just cleaned out my radio cutting Becker. Oh, man, I'm glad you pumped it up because you sounded good now. Louis Armstrong, Nitro waving right back.
I think I heard a 434 in there. I don't know where you're at there, 434. Bring it back. 212 upstate New York.
All right, Louis, 73's making a shout. Nitro back out.
He's the king, the Northeast corner, Gold Country, Quebec City, Quebec, Canada. Read a man, and I'm back west. Yeah, I think you said you're over in Illinois there. You said I was the only one you could hear. Yeah, I got that same noise level in my ears. Everybody's coming here about the same level, same intensity. Anyways, 434, thanks for waving back, letting us know we're getting out there. 212 over here in Rochester, New York, Quebec.
Yeah, Skull got you that time, man. Let me know if I got it right. Oh, Skull, go on, waving, make.
Quick.
So, fine, you can get in there when you do it like waving right back, mate.
Hey, Rooster, not sure if he's talking to me or not, but he's sounding good in there, brother. Top of the evening, Nitro, Virginia said it, break.
Well, you did have to go to pump house for glove, man. You make it seem like you ain't worried about it. All right. I was going myself, man. I just thought I'd jump down here to the channel, man, and see what's going on, man. But since you got control on the radio, go on in with your bad self. It's your talk show, Cat Chopper. Hey, welcome to the weekend. Believe it, how's going to you? Ain't nobody but your shotgun, man.